Waiting on somebody to come through, fuck with me, put in the work to make it up for me.
Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's synthetic wig review. So this wig review is sponsored by Glamourtress, and I'm so excited to bring you guys this wig. It's a wig that I've been eyeing for a little bit now, and I wanted it in a nice, vibrant color. And yeah, so make sure you keep on watching because this is going to be a good one. Alright you guys, so the unit that I have for you all today is by Sensationnel. It's their Empress Lace wig, and I do have the unit Trissa, and I do have her in 613 Blonde, and I'm really excited, you guys. I loved the green color as well, but as you can see, I'm rocking dark teal right now, so I wanted to, you know, keep the colors coming for you guys. And this one is limited in terms of colors. It's only offered in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors, along with, of course, you know, your 1s and 1Bs. So I went ahead and went with the 613 color. This is what the unit looks like straight out the pack. All I did was just cut off the lace. This is a lace front wig, so you have your edge that's lace, and you do have your middle part that's lace as well. Cap construction, you have 2 combs on each side, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. I'm just going to adjust this to the second tightest. It does come with nice long curls. I don't think it has any bangs. Well, it does have layers. Does it have layers in the back? Yeah, it has layers all throughout the unit. Let's get a close look of the 613. It's a nice creamy 613. It's not too yellow, and it's not too white. So it has a nice shade in it. If you're interested in this unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review up on her. So you can definitely click the link up here and check that one out. But make sure you finish watching this one first. Is bomb, and I knew that it would be. She looks fire on the stock card. The wig wasn't even combed out on the stock card, so I knew she was going to be bomb once you get her in person. The texture on this unit is perfection. It's the exact texture that I love. This wig is really reminding me of Sierra a whole lot. And I love it even better than Sierra because it has the whole lace frontal. I mean the whole lace front. Sierra only had the lace part and you had to like deal with the line of demarcation. This one is perfection. Like this one is just perfection. I love this unit. It's absolutely to die. And yeah, I mean, I don't have anything negative to say about this wig, to be quite honest. I do want to try something with this unit. I have this one day color. It's L'Oreal's Colorista color spray, and this is for hints and highlights. And you can do like a spray on type of situation with this. So place a towel around your shoulders to protect your clothing. Shake well before each use. Hold the can 4 to 6 inches away from dry hair and spray. Wait a few minutes for the color to dry completely. So I definitely want to add some of this fuchsia into this wig. So I'm going to grab a towel real quick and go ahead and spray this unit. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover for this part. So I went ahead and just started spraying the spray. What I noticed right away when I started spraying the spray is that the spray can comes out very, very like concentrated in a very tight stream onto the hair. So it was very hard to get like a ombre look because the spray was coming out so precisely. So I wasn't like crazy about how the spray can was actually spraying. Another thing that I noticed right away was that the spray wasn't covering that much hair. Like I wish it was a wider mist the way the spray was coming out, but it wasn't. It was very concentrated. Another thing that I noticed was when I sprayed the spray, it changed the texture of the hair. So this wig is very lightweight, very fluffy, very bouncy. But when I sprayed the spray, it became more like a hairspray texture. So it was like a little more sticky. It was a little more stiff. So it definitely changed the texture of the hair as well. Now this hairspray says that it's a 1-day spray, so you can wash it out. I don't typically wash my synthetic units, but I might try to see if I could wash this out. But all in all, I did like the results of it. I just wasn't crazy about the changes that it created in the hair. Also, what you're noticing is I had to brush the hair so that it could get that ombre effect, so that it became more of like a ombre look as opposed to just a hard streak in the hair. So yeah, those are just some tips that I found when using the Colorista spray. Guys, so these are the results of the Colorista. So this is one full can. So this hair took one full can just for me to do like a ombre at the ends. So if you wanted to do your whole full entire head, like it would probably take 3 of these for real. Super like a tight spray, so it's sprayed directly on. So you definitely have to keep your distance. And then what I also found is to get like this soft like watercolor look, you definitely have to like work it in with your fingers. So I have white and yellow nails, so you can see all that pink and fuchsia on my nails and on my fingertips, because you literally have to like smooth it in. Plus I was super mad that I didn't do the front first. I did all the lower half first because I wanted to do this on this side, but by the time I got to this side I was already out of spray. So I'm a little disappointed that it's lopsided. Like I will be honest, I even thought about maybe like pulling some hair from here to like over here, but you know it's not gonna work. So I may just have to go and get another can of the Colorista. Yeah, so I don't know, we'll see. But I do like the effect, that the look of it that it gives, especially for synthetic hair, because you know you cannot color synthetic units. So I love that you can add color. Now what I would do in the future is put it on my mannequin head, take the wig off of my head, put it on my mannequin head, and then I can easily do what I need to do on my unit. So going forward, I will definitely do that instead. One thing that I don't care for is that this spray does change the the feel of the unit. So like now the unit does feel like it has like hairspray on it. So you know that tightness that the spray gives, that's what this hair is giving me. It's not as like flowy and bouncy. It's more like clumpy and sticky. Maybe that's just because it's not dry yet. It did say that it takes 4 to 6 minutes to dry, and my impatient ass did not wait that long. Do I regret putting the spray on here? I sort of do, I'll be honest, because immediately as I put the spray on, like it changed the feel of the unit. But I then again don't regret it, because how else would I get these pink tips on this synthetic unit? Like if this was a human hair unit, I would just go ahead and watercolor dye the tips. But you can't do that with synthetic. And if you're trying to save your coins and still get that dip dye watercolor virgin hair look, like this is the move. This looks like some, you know, human hair that I went ahead and colored. Now it did say on the container that this color will transfer, so just be mindful of that. But yeah, I definitely like it. I think it's really cute. Don't mind my leggings, y'all. I'm not going nowhere. I'm just recording for y'all. But y'all let me know what you all think of this color. Let me know what you think of this unit. I really like Trissa. I think she is new because I haven't seen her previously. But then again, who knows? I don't really be up on what's new and what's not. I try to, but y'all, these wigs be coming out like boom, 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 boom. I can't stay on top of this. Y'all let me know what's new. How about that? Yeah, you guys, I do have a hair slaying happy hour coming up. If you are in the DMV area and you like to go to events, I do have a happy hour event coming up. It's an open bar, it's food, it's desserts, and it's a look and learn with your girl, Jess the Dragoness. I will show you how to slay your wig in 15 minutes or less. Yes, sis, in 15 minutes or less, I'll have you slaying like me. Yeah, make sure you come out. Of course, I'm gonna have the swag bags popping. You know, I got all my companies. I'm pulling my little companies together, telling them get this stuff in this swag bag. Y'all hook my sisters up. So I got giveaways, bundles, wigs, virgin hair, everything, you guys. So make sure you come out. Click the link in the information box down below, and make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and you're following me on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness on Instagram and Facebook. I love you guys so much, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.
Waiting